everybody, welcome to Ishwari Academy. Here's our teacher Ishwari ma'am. So today we are going to have a debate competition on a really interesting and debatable topic. How are movies influential, good or bad? We have two teams. Team A consisting of enthusiastic boys who are supporting the topic, and Team B consisting of the powerful girls who are against the topic. Why wait? Let's start.
Myself Prashant, and I'm the team leader for this team A. So here are my teammates Manan, Shivarshan, Kritik, Giresh, Pranav, Kritik, and Satvik. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Siri from Team D. We are against the topic, our movies, the influence of movies.
Myself Sastra. Myself Shri.
Myself Ashrika.
Myself Nikita. I'm Sashrika. I'm Navini.
I'm Abhishek.
Guardians play a big role in choosing attendance, but much change watching.
Do you believe that the movies that parents pick for their kids to watch are also appropriate? Why? Do you believe that the movies that parents are picking for their kids to watch are also appropriate?
Movies are made for appropriate ages, so they should watch according to age.
So you're saying
So,
that
so you're trying to say that parents pick movies for their children, right? That's what you said first. Can you give me some examples of some good movies that kids watch? Sorry? Okay, and
Then both movie explaining about law that folks have. Get
coaching kids will watch court movie.
Yes.
Probably yes.
Very interested.
I said kids.
I said kids.
Yeah, why does it?
Yeah, why don't
They will watch.
Okay, and I'm sure kids nowadays they watch Disney. That is like the original franchise for kids. Do you have any statement?
What if they
against that?
wanted to watch Telugu movies?
Sure, they can watch, but can you give me any good examples of Telugu movies that kids can watch?
Kids. Between the ages of like 5 to 10 or something. Kids. Appropriate Telugu movies for kids. Appropriate.
Yeah, no, there are many horror cartoons that kids can watch.
You
Horror
said
cartoons?
movies. You said movies, by the way.
But okay, let's call it animated movies. Animated horror
Like in
movies.
Telugu, by the way. Because he said
Yeah, why don't the dubbing is the dubbing for a reason, right?
Yeah, can I give examples?
Cinderella. So, look, Cinderella, you know the story? The story is about a girl who gets abused by her family. She's abused by her family, and then she literally waits for a fairy godmother to literally come and grant her a spell so that she can go to a ball and find a prince for her.
The
So
thing
this
is,
is-
why does a girl need to be chained and need someone magical to be free? Don't you think this sets unrealistic expectations for girls or even children in general?
It's fictional for a reason.
Yeah, and people are mostly influenced by fictional films.
Do you agree? Yes or no?
See, many movies.
Why?
Define. Why?
There are many cartoons like Doraemon and like we can watch in Telugu like that. So
Doraemon. What do you get? What do you understand from Doraemon?
it is just a cartoon where we like.
It's not just a cartoon, by the way.
There is a cartoon.
It is not just a cartoon, by the way.
Then
But
what do you?
it is.
So what if it's a cartoon? What does it emphasize?
So in even Doraemon, Nobita he goes to Doraemon and he literally begs for gadgets, which is also it's not a good thing to use a shortcut for everything, right? He always sees shortcut for everything, and we even see that Nobita is very lazy, always gets zero in exams. Is that good?
No,
Does that
I
teach
agree,
kids?
but at last,
No, you agree?
if you
your voice.
see,
Do you?
wait, at last if you see, like Nobita used to fail in every thing by also using Doraemon's gadgets, right?
So he's a little failure student
So he's
who uses
depending on
gadgets.
someone.
Why are we arguing? Doraemon, it's a cartoon.
You guys started
You
about
started
Doraemon.
Even like he also fails by using Doraemon's gadgets, right? So there's no point.
Then why does he use it? Why doesn't he find a solution for himself?
It is just a
So it's actually for entertainment purpose, and if kids are getting influenced, at the end of the episode you see he realizes his mistake and stops using that gadget.
Does
for
he though?
every episode.
Does he though?
Yeah, he does.
If he doesn't for every episode, why is it every single
Yeah,
episode?
there are
that
new
he
gadgets,
learns?
right? For every
That doesn't mean he learns his lesson.
Yeah,
It's
he
the
does.
same
At
thing
the end, the
repeated
gadget
again
changes.
and again.
Every episode is not considered every thing.
Yeah, every episode.
You're
Every episode is not considered that we have to learn every single episode, right?
Every episode is not
Some negative thoughts and
And
positive
gadgets are
thoughts.
something
Exactly.
He just said that at the end of the day, he learned something. But then again,
End
there's
of this
another
season.
end of an episode. If you really watch Doraemon.
Yeah, the new episode there's a new gadget or something, right? It's not same thing every day.
But he still depends on it, right?
Yeah, but he learns his mistake at the end.
Every single
Yeah,
episode
he
he
does.
learns his mistakes.
Yeah, he
does.
Then what does that teach him? To continue the same mistake again and again?
Every episode is not an every new day.
Sorry?
Every episode is not every new day. They need to go
It's
through
not
it.
about new day, it's an episode at some day. It's gonna be happening at some sort of a day.
You agree
You
that
guys
these
have an
cartoons are
argument?
actually good for these kids, are actually influencing the kids in a good way? Do you think kids are actually getting like a good influence due to these movies, series, or Doraemon or something? Yes or no? Are you getting
Why?
Yes.
why?
Why?
Many movies are reflection of society. Criticism.
Not movies. I'm talking about Doraemon.
You already explained
Why you
exactly.
mentioned
You
movie? You mentioned a movie.
So we
You
are.
are the one who started saying that.
But you
you mentioned movie,
So
right?
we are.
Right now you mentioned about movies, Doraemon, cartoons or anything. So please let us continue. Kritik, please.
Many movies often reflect
Good
reality.
morning for everyone.
Don't talk in volumes. Raise your points by raising your hand.
Express.
As I already told in the
Many movies often reflect reality, and calling them bad is indirectly calling the real life experiences of people bad, which is ethically and logically false.
Explain. Examples. Give us some examples of movies.
Freedom Riders.
Sorry?
Freedom Riders.
Freedom Riders. Language writings? Any language? What do you mean any language?
You can also take an example from 83.
Sorry?
83 movie.
83 and 83 is a biopic, by the way. 83 is a biopic
But
of
it
a
is-
very famous personality.
But it's still a movie.
So it's not about
The
it
question
being a
was not on the
movie.
movie. Right?
It's about what a movie teaches.
By the way, biopic.
When you are talking,
Okay.
I want to ask you a question. Did you people ever watch any cartoon or any movies? And did it influence you any badly?
Yeah, definitely.
Can you explain?
Explain.
Peppa Pig normalized body shaming. Doraemon created unrealistic expectations. Shinchan made people. Can I please finish my statement? Shinchan made people believe that it's okay to go around and annoy people, and it's okay to, annoy people. And also, he used to harass that teacher, right? Matsuzaka Madam someone.
It's for entertainment purpose firstly, and did it influence any way? Did
You
you
asked
do
me.
it?
You asked me if it influenced me, and I told you why it influenced me. So
In
why are you
which way?
questioning
In
me?
which way?
In which I
Like,
just.
did you do what they did?
No, but it definitely created a bad sense of mind for me, which of course changed later.
How did it change? You said it influenced you, right?
Yeah, because I'm not only watching cartoons, but I'm around real life people who are ethical and moral.
Exactly, everyone does that. It's not only a movies. It doesn't.
Doraemon says it in like every single episode. You never learn, you never learn.
Yeah, he does, but at the end, it's
So what if he learns at the, what's the point of him learning at the end if he continues the same thing again?
people do mistakes. They learn at the end of the day.
That's what he's not doing.
He did not
That's
learn.
exactly what he's not doing. He's
So
not
what
learning.
at the end
Yeah,
of
but
there
they
are
don't
different.
want the series to end. They don't want it to end. Of course, it's just a series.
So he continues the same mistake again and again.
Stop watching it. Not the producers fault, not the
Stop
movies'
watching
fault.
it. So you believe that we should stop watching movies so that they don't
Cartoons.
influence us? Wait, I'm talking to him. So you believe that we should stop watching movies so that they won't influence us? Do you believe it or no?
No.
Why?
Fine.
Why?
They are for
I want him to answer.
Let him answer it in movies.
No, I want him to answer because
Excuse me, you can't make someone point out and he's going to answer.
Movies are synthesis of multiple art forms: literature, music, acting, and visual design.
talking about cartoons and
We are
The same movies and cartoons, brother.
Our topic is movies. Movies are used of multiple art forms, literature, music, acting, and visual design, making them one of the most complete and multidimensional mediums of expression.
Okay. So that justifies him doing something bad every single day. Does that justify? Does the glamorous beauty of a cartoon define? Does it, encourage the sense of the cartoon?
We're not talking about
Fine, cartoons or movies? You guys just said movies or cartoons. Let me say.
Can we just talk about movies here? The whole topic is about movies. Why are you going into
Can I raise a point?
cartoons?
Can I raise a point? We
Yes.
are the ones who started about Doraemon.
Yes,
Fine, we'll-
I specifically mentioned that it's about movies and you guys are talking about cartoons continuously. None of them gets the point here. Even if you raise the good point, none of them gets the point.
Movies often portray negative themes to reflect real life issues like crime, war, injustice, and personal struggles. Avoiding such topics would make life unrealistic and limit meaningful storytelling.
Anyway, frame your statement with an example.
See, so what she's saying is that movies are affecting people and are making them reflect the things which they see in the movies in real life. If you want an example, this is called the Pune Jewelry Shop Heist on January 1st, 2024. It's a very recent one. So this robbery was made in Raj casting, okay? And then these people, they named themselves the people in Money Heist. They gave them code names exactly like in Money Heist. They even had red jumpsuits. They were following the exact same code of Money Heist to do a robbery. And see, here they stole 1.323 kilograms of gold, 3.32 crores. Because of the influence of Money Heist, and they thought that faking their identities, using fake keys to get into the banks and stuff, they thought they could do a robbery.
So, is there any proof that they got influenced from that process, from that?
There was
Can you please let me complete?
Yeah, no.
See, is there any proof that from which they get inspired, as you said, from that series and did a robbery? They may be thieves by their, and they may be, to disguise themselves, they maybe have done that.
It's the watcher's fault, right? Not the producers, not the directors. It's the watcher's fault. They are trying to follow what.
But that's what we're talking about. We're not talking about the movies. We're not talking about how good the movies or who is producing it. We're talking about the impact. We don't care about who created the movie or something. We're not talking about our movies, what movies are. We're talking about their impact.
You can't criticize all movies for just the reason of few. Okay.
So one is enough. I'll tell you another
I
example.
will give you another example, if that's fine. Just a week ago, a movie was released in Netflix called Adolescence, in which a boy was so influenced by movies which promoted violence, aggression, stereotypes, so that when he proposed to a fellow classmate and she rejected him, he stabbed her 273 times. And him being influenced by movies was clearly stated in it.
Do you agree that all children react to the movie in the same way?
Sorry?
Do you agree that all children react in the same way?
It's not necessary that all of them react in the same way. It's even one is enough. So, see, there's Scream. There's a movie called Scream. It's basically like this movie all about murder and stuff. There was this Ashley Murray attack in UK, 7th January 1999. So this Ashley, this girl, she was friends with two guys named Daniel and Robert. All of these three watched the movie Scream together. And then Daniel and Robert, I don't know what happened, but they got psychologically influenced by the movie and stabbed her and killed her. They murdered her. So literally one death is enough, right? What else do you want? What else do you want?
Many people watch that movie. Their mentality perceive that movie as bad.
Mentality, not as a movie they're talking about.
Many people watch
But
that
if they didn't see the movie, if they didn't see the movie, it would have not impacted them. It would have not given them the idea to stab her.
That's dead.
That's the exact thing. That's the impact of what movie is giving
That is why
them.
they give a certificate that called A certificate and U certificate. A certificate is
hard.
above 18 should see that.
They're above 18. All of them are above 18.
What?
All of them are above 18.
Above 18 and matured as they can understand what the is.
They may not be mature.
But do
One
you
person.
think the girls who created this crime, they were adults? And you just said people were above 18 and more mentally mature. So then why did they commit such a crime?
If their mind can't control what they are watching and wanna do what's in the movies, they should not watch it.
And then so
They-
you're
they should
agreeing
mentally-
that they
wait,
should
wait,
not
let me
watch
finish, let me
movies.
finish. If their mental is not that strong, then why are they watching it? They should keep themselves in it.
So you agree that we should not watch movies?
I'm not saying all movies. I'm talking about specific ones and the students who are.
So you're saying that movies, at least some movies are impacting, are influencing the people in a bad way.
Not all the
Yes or
people.
no?
Yes
Yes or no?
question.
Yes
No,
or no?
no, no.
Why?
Define our.
Depends on their mentality.
And he
But
also
if-
said
listen.
that we should stop watching. Some
I didn't
people
say-
should stop watching some
Yeah, he
movies.
said about the people who don't have a sense of
They don't have control.
They were perfectly fine. The
How could you know?
interrogation happened. I watched. There was an interview. You know where I got this from? I got this from Wikipedia. If you want, go check it out. This actually happened. And then there was a live interrogation which happened. They posted the video about it, and then they showed that these people. They asked their friends, other friends as well. They were perfectly fine until they watched the movie. But no one actually knows if they were perfectly fine before they watched. I mean, after they watched the movie, it triggered them that it's okay to do this. It's okay to do this, and they did it. They literally killed the person. What else do you want?
Leave the bad effects, people killing. Okay, what about the good influence on people?
No, answer
People
the
lives are
question.
changing because of that too.
I asked you a question.
That's not a question, that's a statement.
Excuse me, I also asked you a
Fine.
question. by the way.
One second.
Where's my answer?
This statement was done a long time ago. We closed that statement. I'm asking, did this movie impact these people in a bad way or no? Yes or no? Answer this question.
It's a
genuinely.
certain movie, right?
Yes or no?
It's a debate, not a
Yes
yes
or
or no, yes or no shit.
It's fine.
We debate
That's a right to. I
in
have the
order
right
to
to
close
debate.
this statement, you need to give an
Answer
answer.
yes or no.
That's not a yes or no shit.
You are supposed to. Not just yes or no.
Answer.
If it's yes, why? No, why?
If you say yes, we get the point. If you say no, define
Repeat
your
your
answer.
question.
Some movies are impacting, especially this movie. This movie, Scream, impacted people to commit a literal murder. Yes or no? So are these movies influencing people to commit crimes which are not actually ethical? Yes or no?
No, and you said only
No.
certain people, right? Only 3 people. Are there like other people who got